Hey, it's Greg, and I have something very exciting for you. It's our new to Medicare workshop. And the best part of it, you're going to be able to attend from the comfort of your own home. You don't need any tech skills. You don't have to download any apps. I'm going to strictly, after you register, I'm going to send you an email. And when that workshop's ready to go live, you just click the button in your email, and it's going to take you right into the virtual room where I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process that I do with all my clients to prepare them for Medicare. Number one, know exactly when and how to enroll in Medicare through Social Security, what the steps are, make sure that you can avoid any costly mistakes, which windows is your opportunity to enroll. Okay. From there, we're going to go into the different plans of Medicare. So you have the Medicare supplement, you have your Medicare Advantage. What's the difference? What's the pros and cons of the two? What are your, cost estimates going to be? A lot of people come into Medicare and they think, well, I made it this far. I paid my taxes my entire life. So now I'm going to get free healthcare, right? Unfortunately, that's not the case. So I'm going to show you how I work with my clients to minimize the cost of healthcare, but also make sure that you are fully protected for the rest of your life because you want to go into your retirement, peace of mind, and you don't want to have to worry about if something comes up, are you going to be covered? So we'll get into all the nitty gritty of what's covered, what's not covered. And then is there a third option? Is there a third option besides Medicare Advantage and a Medicare supplement? Well, there is one third option that a lot of folks that are new to Medicare that don't know about. I'm going to go over that with you as well. I'll be able to answer any live questions if you have any questions live. So all you have to do now is go ahead and register and pick which time you would like to attend. Don't worry, if you can't attend for some reason, then I will send out a recording. But go ahead, register for the New to Medicare workshop, and I really look forward to seeing you there. Take care.